What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, Dalimpofu was speaking before some young people, and Dalimpofu was defending the EFF policy when it comes to the issue of borders and foreigners, literally. So, Dalimpofu, he was saying the people that are in Matebeleland, they actually came from KZN, and it's Mziligas who moved, from a present day KZN and went to Matebeleland there. So the people who once lived together in KZN, they're actually calling each other, you are Amakwerekwere, we don't want you here, go back. And Dalimpov was saying that does not make any sense at all because we are one people, and these borders, they are just dividing us. It's like these borders were put in place to be used against us. So this is what Dalimpof was saying, to say this is not making any sense at all. So as you can see, Dalimpof, what he was speaking, it makes sense, but the challenge that is there now is that where he currently is at right now at MK, that message is not going to be accepted well, because at the moment you have the MK Labour Desk moving up and about, making sure that illegal foreigners are removed from where they are employed at and employing South Africans. So this is the challenge that is there in trying to spread this message of one unity. But that message makes a lot of sense if Dalimpofu is with the EFF. So he is literally defending Julius Malema here, and you can see that the guy is actually an EFF person, and not an MK. And if it does work, he has to return back to the EFF. I'll catch you guys on the next one.